I'll give you another example of a cubic equation, and this time we want to solve an equation which is x cubed minus 14x squared minus 288 equals 0, and given one root is double another. So let's say our roots are alpha, 2 alpha and beta. Then the sum of the roots will be 3 alpha plus beta, and that will be equal to 14. The sum of the roots taken in pairs will be, or the products taken in pairs will be 2 alpha squared plus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta, and that has to come to 0 because the coefficient of x is 0. So that comes down to 2 alpha squared plus 3 alpha beta is 0, which means alpha times 2 alpha plus 3 beta is 0, which means 2 alpha plus 3 beta is 0. If we assume that alpha is not 0. And continuing, 2 alpha plus 3 beta is 0, but we also know that 3 alpha plus beta is 14, so we can solve those two equations simultaneously. Multiply the first one by 3, we get 6 alpha plus 9 beta equals 0, and multiplying the second by 2, 6 alpha plus 2 beta is 28. Subtracting, we get 7 beta is minus 28, and so beta is minus 4, so we've got one root. To find the alpha, we can substitute in either of those two equations, so let's say 2 alpha plus 3 beta, that'll be minus 12 is 0, so alpha is 6, and 2 alpha is 12, so we've got our 3 roots, which is 6, 12, and minus 4, and that completes the question.